Cold open. In the realm of full-stack development, the road to mastery is often winding and filled with numerous technologies. So where does one begin? With a roadmap, of course. First stop, front-end development. HTML, CSS and JavaScript form the foundational trio. Once you've got a handle on these, dive into React or Angular for building dynamic user interfaces. Next, let's delve into back-end development. Start with Node.js, then proceed to Express.js to create server-side web applications. Don't forget to learn about databases, with MongoDB being a fantastic choice. Now, journey towards the DevOps. Grasp the essentials of Git for version control, then explore Docker and Kubernetes for containerization and orchestration. Lastly, the cherry on top, testing. Mastery over Jest or Mocha will ensure your code runs as expected. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start walking the road of full-stack development today. This is your path, your roadmap. Stay curious, stay coding.